Here at Rigcom Access, we specialize in rope access, height safety, and rigging. We service a variety of industries including construction, energy, utilities, mining. We are passionate about height safety and ensuring that you and your employees go home after a hard day at work. We do this by providing the best solutions to meet your needs. To help raise awareness in industry, we are an active member of the Working at Heights Association. Some examples of height safety compliance solutions that we can provide are design, inspections, certification and testing. To ensure your sites are compliant to Australian standards, the types of height safety systems that we can install include static lines, rail systems, vertical lines, anchor points, and access systems like ladders, walkways, and platforms. We can also provide portable access solutions. I want you to know that when you choose Rigcom Access for your project, you will encounter a service and value that is hard to beat. For a more detailed look at all our services, please go to www.rigcomaccess.com and take a look across all our full site to find the best services to meet your needs.